Oh, wow. 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 Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing what I got this month from Stitch Fix. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a monthly or weekly, however you want it to be, service where a stylist asks you questions, you take quizzes and stuff like that on the website, and they go ahead and send you items. It's a $20 stylist fee, and then if you go ahead and keep your items, then you go ahead and pay for whatever items you do keep. If you end up keeping everything, there is a discount. So I'll go ahead and let you know the prices of what I have and the items that I have and everything like that. So you guys can see what I have and how much it would be if I kept everything. So this is my box right here. So when they send it to you, it's gonna say Stitch Fix, and it's gonna have this little symbol on the box and everything like that, and then your address right here. So let me go ahead and open it. Let me see. The first time they sent me my my items, it was super cute, and I kept everything except for one thing. Oh, this is so cute. The first box, I was like I had too much anxiety about, like, you know, Miss Rona. So I just threw the box away, and then I just kept everything. But I sprayed this down with some Lysol and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. So it says, thanks for letting us style you. It has the Stitch Fix thing, and then it has like a little barcode on this side right here. So here it tells you like what to do next, stuff like that. Alright. And then when you open the box, this box is super cute. They have the return bag. So if you want to return whatever they send you, you put it in this bag. You seal it up. It has your address and their address right here. So you just have to pack it up, go to the post office, and just send it back to them. And then you have this little envelope here. And then it has a little card showing your items and how to style it. I'm not going to open it because I want to be surprised this time. Last time I opened it because I was being nosy. And then here is it telling you exactly what you got and the prices and then how much it would be. So if I ended up keeping everything, it would be $160 instead of $240, which is really good. So yeah. Again, that's just a little discounts that they give you if you keep everything. But let's see. I'm just so excited. I love this. Stitch Fix, like, it's like a little Christmas present. You never know what you're gonna have in there. Okay, so after that, it brings you this. So this is where your items are. You can see a little peek of like what they look like. So far, it looks like some jeans, something black. I love black. Something blue. We'll see. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So let's pick it up. So I'm gonna be showing you guys this differently than my first video. I want to show you guys my first reaction and everything since I actually have the box. My mom just threw the other one out. So yeah, first item, she's cute. Okay, so the first item is this shirt, and it just has like a little tie on the bottom. It's nice. I like this material. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, I love Stitch Fix. But, oh, this is nice. It's like a see-through material. Girl, look. I ain't go to fashion school. I don't know these materials. But it's like that see-through, breathable material. I really like the color, and I love this pattern. This is so cute. And you have the option to keep the stylist that they chose for you. For my first, you have the option to keep the stylist that they chose for you. So I ended up keeping the same stylist because I feel like that stylist knew what I liked, and the only thing I didn't like was one item, and I wrote them like a little note saying like, hey, everything was super cute except for this one thing. It's just not my style. That's just not what I wear. You know, da 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 da. So I don't know. My stylist be knowing, let me tell you. Alright, next item. Another shirt. Yeah, these shirts are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'll be so excited. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I'm not even telling y'all how much this stuff costs. What's this? Okay, so the first blouse is $42. This shirt is $38. So cute. Okay, next item. I think this is the jumpsuit. No. What is this? Cardigan. I love cardigans. Gosh. Cardigans that you just throw it on to any freaking outfit and it just makes it, you know, like you have something super casual, a t-shirt and some jeans, you throw on a cardigan, it just looks more put together, you know? I don't know. But this is the cardigan. It's really cute. I already have a green cardigan, but it's not this one. So far, I like everything. This is the jumpsuit. Oh, yo. The cardigan was $44. This is the jumpsuit. Ooh. Oh. Okay. I like this. Oh. Of course, I'm going to show you guys it on, but this... Does it have pockets? It has pockets. Period. These jeans right here, $58. Let me see. Okay. Ooh, are they high-waisted? They are high-waisted. Okay, that's cute. So yeah, just basic jeans, and then it just has buttoning right here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's everything that was in the box. Again, my total would be $240. You get a buy all discount of 25%, which took off $60. So my total would be $180, and then they take off the stylist fee of $20 since you're purchasing it. That's just a credit. So shipping is free, and then my total is $160. So by the looks of it, everything is so freaking cute, and I really like everything. So I might keep everything, but it all depends on how it fits again. So I would already have tried it on, and you will see it here in the video. So yeah, I'll let you know if I'm keeping everything. So if I do keep everything, again, my total is $160 that I will have to go in the app and pay. And then I'll go ahead and put in like a little clip of me paying it. So basically, you open up the app, and then it'll show you, hey, your so basically you'll open up the Stitch Fix app, and then it'll tell you, well, that's what I use the app. I don't know if you can do it through the website or anything like that. So I open up my app, and it tells me, oh, your items are like have been delivered, and then it says to check out. So you will check out, and then right there it will tell you, it will ask you like, are you keeping this, are you keeping that, what are you doing? And then it'll ask you like, did it fit, how do you feel, do you like it, do you like the material, do you like the price? It'll ask you everything, all of that, and you'll give it you'll rate it, I think from 1 through 5, something like that, but you'll see it on the screen while I'm talking. So yeah, you'll rate it through there, and then it'll ask you if you want to add like a comment on the bottom, and then if you want to, you can, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And then you'll go ahead and check out, and then from there it'll charge your card, whatever card you have on the app. So yeah, that's just how you check out if you do end up keeping your items. But yeah, so far I'm in love, especially that jumpsuit. I don't think I was gonna like the neckline, mainly because right now I do have a burn on my chest. So that neckline is like a little bit too much because of that. But girl, if I wasn't burnt, you know. But yeah, those are the items. Oh, I love Stitch Fix. I really love Stitch Fix, y'all. Like, I feel like for someone like me who has a problem shopping, like, well, sometimes like when I'm shopping, I can either, it's a hit or miss, but I feel like with Stitch Fix, you don't have to spend the time on a website. You're just going ahead and answering the questions that they ask you. Do you like this? Do you not like this? And if you do, May 22nd. What's today's date? Hey Google, what's today's date? Hey Google, what's today's date?
Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
Hey Google, what's today's date? Child, anyways. So far I really like these items. Stop.
There was a glitch. Try again in a few seconds.
Y'all, my Google's broken. Yeah, y'all. If you like this video and you want to see more of me, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.